I am Shuja Ch. Please accept my greetings, salam and namaste wherever you are watching in the world. Today I am quite excited while preparing to upload this video. And this is because it is my first attempt from this platform of Happy Life Circle to express some thoughts on happiness in this format. We all understand that life is a combination of different sorts of emotions. Life in general is full of ups and downs. There are times for all of us when we catch ourselves trapped in negative emotions. We get stuck in sadness, we get upset and stressful. But when it comes to cultivate a happy life, what I have learned is that happiness is not about getting rid of negative emotions or about certain strategies to hide from stress and sadness. Rather, a happy life is more about being aware of own emotional states and being able to manage the emotions to be more positive and stable more of the time. Happy people actually remain conscious and aware about any sort of undesired feelings that happen inside them. And then they try to remember to implement some of coping methods that they have learned to get out of the low vibrational emotional states, and that too without being dependent on others. For our happiness, we must remember that negative emotional states are like a trap. If no conscious effort is done to escape from this trap, these feelings, these negative feelings, behave like a downward spiral, dragging you down to even negative emotions inside and negative circumstances at the outside. Such feelings suck the energy out of you and leave you totally drained, tired, and exhausted. In the coaching settings, when I interact with people, I observe that at the surface, people may have very diverse issues. Sometimes they are suffering from relationship issues, career or financial issues, or there may be self-empowerment or self-esteem issues. But underlying to their problems, directly or indirectly, they all are seeking answers to the same very question, that how they can reduce pain and have more happiness in their lives. To help the answer, I am starting a video series with a title name as Dynamic Happiness. In this series of short videos, I intend to highlight different aspects and factors about happiness that can help us in creating more of good feelings in our lives. In general, I would be talking of what is that which makes happy people happy, or we may call that habits of happy people. This introductory video is going to be the first in the video series. When we talk about happiness and what makes happy people happy, it becomes a very wide and complex topic. Philosophers, gurus, intellectuals have been trying to find and discover or uncover the secrets of happiness since ancient times. So in this series of Dynamic Happiness, beside the distilled wisdom, I will be bringing to you the information that is backed by scientific research and positive psychology. This information will be especially helpful to those who are willing and actively looking for personal development and self-empowerment. In fact, this video series is going to be a mini course in exploring personal happiness and well-being. I would appreciate your interactions and your suggestions, and I will also be looking for the helpful happiness tips that has remained good in your life. And you may also share your own questions, your challenges through comments and messages. If you like this idea of happiness empowering video series, please comment and hit the like button. I have put the link of my YouTube channel in the description. Your subscription to the channel would be further appreciated. With this, I conclude this introductory video, and I will be meeting you in the next episode of Dynamic Happiness. I am Shuja Ch, signing off from Happy Life Circle.